If you want to own power tools that will function reliably for 30 years without replacement, do not buy whatever is displayed at Home Depot. Ask a professional contractor what tools he inherited from his father. Ask a carpenter who has been working for 40 years what power tools he refuses to replace. Ask a plumber what drills and saws still function perfectly despite decades of professional use. These professionals understand something that modern power tool manufacturers desperately hide. Most power tools sold today are engineered to fail within 5 years. But there is a small group of manufacturers who still build equipment designed for permanence, equipment that will outlast the original purchaser, equipment built to last lifetimes. Today, I am revealing the only 5 power tools that refuse planned obsolescence. Before we continue, hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. We expose power tool industry deception and celebrate equipment built to last every single week. If you care about owning tools that function for decades, subscribing ensures you never miss this content. Now let us reveal the 5 power tools worth buying for lifetime ownership. Tool number 1. Makita manufactures corded drills with simple universal motors and metal chuck construction. Their classic corded models cost $150 to $250 new. Cheap cordless alternatives cost $80 to $120. Yet a vintage Makita corded drill will function reliably for 30 years. A cheap cordless drill fails within 3 years when the battery degrades. Makita uses metal chuck construction that never loosens. The motor is simple and easily replaceable if failure occurs. The metal housing protects internal components. Professional contractors specify Makita corded drills because the durability is documented across decades. A Makita drill from 1990 functions perfectly today, requiring only basic maintenance. Modern battery-powered drills become worthless when batteries fail. Tool number 2. Bosch Rotary Hammer Pneumatic Models. Bosch manufactures rotary hammers using pneumatic air-power design instead of electronic control. Hammers cost $200 to $400. Electronic equivalents cost $150 to $300. Bosch Rotary hammer will function for 20 years with proper maintenance. An electronic rotary hammer fails within 5 years when electronics malfunctioned. Bosch pneumatic design eliminates electronic failure points. The tool uses compressed air directly. No computers, no sensors, no software. Professional masons and concrete workers carry pneumatic Bosch because failure is not an option. The tool functions reliably in professional conditions. A pneumatic Bosch from 1995 functions perfectly today. Tool number 3. Milwaukee Angle Grinder Corded Models. Milwaukee manufactures corded angle grinders using metal housings and sealed bearings. Their corded models cost $120 to $200. Cheap cordless equivalents cost $80 to $120. Yet a Milwaukee corded angle grinder will function reliably for 25 years. A cordless grinder becomes unreliable within 3 years when battery capacity degrades. Milwaukee refuses plastic housings and cheap components. They use sealed bearings protecting internal components from dust exposure. The motor is powerful and durable. Professional metalworkers and contractors choose Milwaukee because the grinder never fails during critical work. A corded Milwaukee from 1995 functions identically to a new model. Tool number 4. DeWalt Circular Saw Corded Models. DeWalt manufactures corded circular saws using direct drive motors and metal blade brakes. Their corded models cost $150 to $250. Cheap battery-powered equivalents cost $120 to $180. Yet a DeWalt corded circular saw will function reliably for 20 years. A battery-powered saw becomes ineffective within 3 years when battery capacity degrades. DeWalt uses industrial-grade motors that maintain power across decades. The blade brake is precision. The metal housing is durable. Professional carpenters specify DeWalt corded saws because the performance is consistent across decades. A DeWalt circular saw from 1995 delivers identical performance to a new model. Tool number 5. Metabo manufactures corded orbital sanders using precision-engineered vibration systems. Their corded models cost $180 to $300. Cheap battery-powered equivalents cost $120 to $160. yet a Metabo corded sander will function reliably for 20 years. Battery-powered sanders fail within 3 years when batteries degrade. Metabo uses sealed bearings and precision motors, delivering consistent vibration. The dust collection is effective and durable. The power remains consistent. Professional woodworkers and finishing contractors choose Metabo because the consistency is essential in quality work. A Metabo sander from 1995 delivers professional results today. Why corded beats battery? Corded power tools have simple motors easily replaced if failure occurs. Battery-powered tools have integrated electronics that cannot be serviced. Cordless tool batteries degrade predictably within 3 years. The tool becomes worthless when batteries fail. Corded tools function indefinitely because the motor is the only wearing component. The total cost analysis. A cheap cordless drill at $100 lasts 3 years. Replacement costs $100. Over 30 years, 10 replacements cost $1,000. Battery replacement costs averaged $50 annually. The total 30-year cost exceeds $2,500. A quality corded Makita drill at $200 lasts 30 years. The motor replacement costs $100 if needed. The total 30-year cost is $300. The corded option costs less than 1/4 the battery-powered total cost. If you need power tools, purchase corded models from Makita, Bosch, Milwaukee, DeWalt. Hunt for vintage professional-grade tools. Avoid battery-powered equipment designed for short lifespan. Invest in corded tools that will outlast you. If you made it this far, subscribe and hit the notification bell. I expose power tool industry deception every single week. Share this video with anyone purchasing tools. Let us build a community rejecting planned obsolescence.